In this video, we show how to replace the DCSCM and ATIC card in a PowerEdge R6715. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the DCSCM and ATIC card with riser 2 removed, disconnect the data cable and then lift the blue latch to free it and then slide it out of the rear of the system. To remove the ATIC card, loosen the 2 captive screws, then tilt the card up at an angle and remove it from the guide pins. To install the ATIC card, align it with the guide pins and press down. Then tighten the 2 captive screws to secure it. To install the DCSCM and ATIC card, align it with the rear of the system and slide it all the way in. Then press the blue latch to lock it into place. And then reconnect the data cable. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R6715, visit dell.com/support.